I didn't get it when he broke it loose, but he got it loose. And now it's hotter than Hades. And then point to the piece you have to take off next.
This piece.
Okay.
But with this hot, it's swollen and it won't come off.
See, that's what happens to me. I get hot and I get swollen. That's why I'm so big, because I'm always hot. No?
This is the piece that fell and broke the floor.
Oh.
Let's see, this is the one this is what's garbage. All the broken pieces and that in there. It's hard to...
No, just stay there. Oh, now I see it.
Yeah.
So
there's that seal. See all that?
Yeah.
It's just all crumbling, so it's not letting it. Here's the other part. Watch.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So here. Yeah. That's what's supposed to hold everything under pressure in that. That's all garbage. This is that bearing for the inside.
Wait, let me see. Okay. And that's that? Or
Yeah.
that's just a...
That's the...
Oh, I see. It's on the inside. Okay, I get it.
So see how much it's worn?
Mm-hmm.
So that's no good.
And what is the general, or, I mean, is there, like, how often they generally last? Like 5 years, 10 years? Or is it just, it doesn't matter? You could put it on and then blow it again?
Well, no. The chances of blowing this one again are slim to none.
Okay.
But yeah, see how this is just all... Oh, see?
You gotta hold still.
That's the problem.
Okay.
That's not supposed to be a hole through there.
Oh, okay.
So you're losing all the pressure. See, it's supposed to be a thing, so when it hits, it squeezes tight.
Okay, I understand.
So, because this goes on, see, and it's a tight fit.
Right.
So,
And then before, I didn't have it on video, I'm not going to touch it, but there's 3 things, these things, that have to go on that. And that's all you have to replace on this thing here?
yeah, that's it on that. And this one's got this right here. Ah, you prick. That's that.
And these are all the seals so far that he's had to replace on various different hydraulic thingies. Is that the right word?
Mm-hmm.
And how many more is there potentially?
5 more.
And each one would cost roughly around how much to replace?
If they were to, if we
No,
were
no,
to,
no, you.
No, well, each seal runs anywhere from $50 to $80, but to take it in and have them do what I'm doing,
Yes.
that would cost $350 to $450 to do.
So now you have to wait until these parts cool off to do anything?
Yeah, those have to cool.
Oh, fun experiments.
Huh?
I said, ooh, ooh.
Ooh, yeah, that's warm.
It's not going to melt that plastic?
It's a little warm.
That was cool. It's like when you put onions or something or in a hot pan with olive oil. Wow. How long do you think that would generally take to cool? Enough for you to touch it?
Well, it's going to take probably a half hour or so. Half hour to an hour. While it's doing that, I will work on this. A little farther away from that, though. There's that.
And that's...
This whole new seal. That one that crumbled so much. This one here.
Wow. And how many seals, how many packages do you have to replace?
I have everything except for 3. I'm short 3 for this size because there's 5 on that machine that are exactly the same as this.
Okay.
Which sucks because they're fucking big. Excuse me, French. Plus there's
So in a kit is all of the seals?
Yep.
Okay. And each kit is how much? About...
Oh, this one's actually missing. See this piece here?
I do.
It's supposed to look like this.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
And it's supposed to be in that hole.
okay. And how much does each kit cost? Roughly.
Anywhere from $46 to $70. So.
And then can you show me outside on the thingy where you're replacing it at? What?
Yep, just a second.
Yeah. Is that like a WD-40 type
Yeah,
thing?
so
Or?
it gets rid of. Well, it's just old can of penetrating oil, just
Was that my dad's?
yeah, just to flush out all the
Thanks, David.
rusty stuff that I had just cleaned up. So, yeah, see now, looking there at it,
I see how shiny and pretty.
it's prettier.
Oh. Here's the beast.
Huh?
I said, here's the beast.
Yeah. This is the one Matt and I changed. Okay. Oh no, this is the one Matt and I changed. That's the one I changed myself. That's the one that freaking damn near killed me.
This one.
And then we're changing this one here, which that takes and makes this part go up and down.
Okay.
But see, that one's the same. This one's the same. Or no, that one, this one, and both of those are all the same size. So they all use the same
Kit thing. Okay.
Because this one is leaking and that one is leaking. But I don't feel like changing them yet.
And can you reuse this fluid that's leaking out of here or no?
No.
How come?
Because it's got dirt and water and crap in it.
Oh,
And
alright.
it's not worth it.
That's too bad. Okay, so does that pretty much sum it up?
Yes, that pretty much sums it up. And the worst part is this piece here that I couldn't get to do anything. Now it's freaking leaking like a stuck pig. That's why it's still draining.
You want me to pull up on that?
Yeah.